Hello YouTube, this is Johnny. This video I'm going to quickly show you how to hard reset your Infinix Note 8 phone. So in this video, the phone is off right now. You'll start by clicking the volume up key and the power key at the same time. So I'm going to hold them at the same time. Then after you'll see the Infinix logo popping out. Then after you'll release all the buttons at the same time. Then after releasing the buttons, you are going to go to the command mode. And this command mode, you'll have to click the sequence code, which will go with volume down, power key, and volume up key, and this will take you to the recovery mode. So when you reach the recovery mode, I'll want you to go ahead and use the volume down key and up to navigate, then the power key to accept changes. Then I will go down to wipe cache partition and I'll click wipe, then I say yes. Then after clicking that, I will click the volume down to go to wipe data and factory reset. And this will move everything in the phone, and you have to click volume down to go to wipe data and factory reset, and this will delete all the user data. And you have to make sure your phone has been fully charged to a point where it won't disorganize the process for installation. Then after here, you go ahead and click down. Actually, in your case, you have to go ahead and say restart, and this will restart your phone, and then the process for installing everything to start and work very well. So thanks for watching. I'll stop from here, and if this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel, click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload useful video like this. And this was an Infinix Note 8, and this process would work on other Infinix phones. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.